It's him, Mr. Gentleman T himself, and I'm back, guys. Yo, fam, I'm back. I'm back. It's been a minute. Hey, it's been a minute. Huh. Very, very, very tough couple of months. It's a long story, guys, and I promise to share the story with you as soon as I have time, right? Because now, just to cut the matter short, I was busy with the course, so the course required full attention, my time, my energy, and my focus. So just to cut the matter short, yeah, right. So it was a 6 months course, and that's just about it. So let's get on today with why I'm back. So I'm back, guys, to give you what I've been always serving to you guys, my people. We are family here, guys. We are family. And as you can see, we are now, yes, we are what we are, but we are a brand now. We are a brand. Raitar, we are a brand. We are a brand, guys. And we'll be working in partnership with South Africa's one of the best brokers, Exness. So I've been working, guys, and I'm coming with new developments, new strategies, new opportunities. We will be making money left, right, and center, guys. So let me get on today's business. Let me not waste anyone's time and tell you what brings me back. Show you my analysis for the week, what we're looking for the whole week, right? So as you normally know me, four of our best pairs. We have our currencies, which is USD CAD. We have USDJPY. We have GBPUSD. Our normal best, and then of course our index US30. So I won't waste any time. Let me start with GBPUSD, guys, because I'm pretty much interested in US30. So GBPUSD, this is what we are looking at. For sure, we are looking at a down going market, as we can see, a down going market. So we won't argue with that. We won't argue with that. So quick enough, let's put on our trend lines, right? We don't want to complicate things. Let's put on our trend lines. So we have this trend line. Let's make sure we have it on the other side. If it doesn't fit, we correct it. Oh, there you have it. Take it as it is. But let me see. No, let's just take it as it is. Two touches. Let's not do something that is not corresponding to how the market is moving, right? So we want to focus on this picture, right? For a week, right? I can't go all the way down because we see this is a whole entire range. This is a range, and finally the market decided to take a direction move. So it's going down. So let's follow that. Let's trade. Let's trade according to the market movement. All right. So let's go down to our 4H. As you can see, the market ranges a lot. GBPUSD ranges a lot. G ranges a lot. As we can see over here, we have this range. We also have this range right here. Right? We are ranging. We are ranging for sure. So what we can see now, we have a support area right here. A support area. Perfect. Support area right here. So we can see that the market is trying to buy. So during the week, the market broke this area right here. It shot down, came back to test this range, and then continued all the way down, which is a fair movement. Whoever managed to capitalize here, guys, I know I taught you guys well. So you guys can see. Let me just show you real quick. You guys can see this. I mean, this didn't need to be explained anyhow. You can see the market dropping all the way here, testing this area. Why? Because it has been a support here. Now it tested it as a resistance and it shot all the way down, rejected from this area, shot all the way up. It rejected from the support, which is now a resistance. It made it a resistance again. As we can see from this movement, we have a left, a right shoulder, we have a head, and then we have a left shoulder, and the market shot up. Anyone would have capitalized here as well, and then the market came back down, started ranging from this area, and then finally it broke this range. As you can see, as soon as it broke this, it breaks this range. You just wait for that retest, and the market retested, kept that sell, capitalized all the way down. And the market got to the very same support, rejected this area. So from this point on, what we are looking to see the market to do, obviously for me, I won't trade against the trend of the market. What I'm looking to see the market coming to touch this trend line right here, right? I'm looking to see the market coming to touch this trend line right here. So let me remove this for now and try not to complicate anyone. So what we can see is the market shut down, it retested, came to the support, and now as you can see, there is a momentum of buys in this support here. So I'm looking to see the market continue all the way up. So what we are looking to see now, I'm gonna put this in the very easiest way possible. So we have this area, right? A busy area. So what we are looking on GBPUSD, we're looking to see the market when it gets here. How is it going to react when it gets here? Remember, guys, we have our candlestick confirmations. If the market gives us a sell confirmation, we sell all the way down here again. But what I'm telling you now is that when the market gets here again, it will shoot up. That's how USDT works. It just enjoys testing areas. As you can see here, testing the same area again and again and again. If it breaks it, tada, that's good. So same here, it will test it, test it, test it, and then finally it will break above it, go all the way here, which I'll be happy. And at this point, it will be this support right here. Hopefully, if it gets here, I don't know if I can put it on a body, but I pretty much enjoy when yeah, the resistance is just at the peak of the wick of the candlestick. That's just about it on US30. On GU, guys, I can go on to 1 hour time frame, but I don't want to dive deeply into 1 hour time frame because we all still have tomorrow, and I can dive into those on daily. So right now I'm focusing on a weekly. So let's keep it simple. I don't want to complicate us nowadays, guys. And remember, we are moving with the market. We don't want to trade against the trend. So let's see what happens. USDJPY. So on USDJPY, we are seeing a different move. On USDJPY, we have been shooting all the way to the upside, right? Shooting all the way to the upside. And what I like about USDJPY, when it goes, it goes. So first thing first, we take our trend line. We try to adjust our things here. Boom. What do we have here? Okay, let me put it across. I don't enjoy cutting through. Unfortunately, I couldn't start on daily on USDJPY because simply we all know, if you guys are still with me, you all know that we have been going all the way to the upside on USDJPY. So now, what are we seeing? So this one will require me today to go on a 1 hour time frame. So I won't do that, unfortunately, because I still have tomorrow. So tomorrow, like I said, you guys know me, I don't trade on Mondays. So tomorrow I will dive in deeply on showing you the move of what USDJPY is doing. So let me put this right here. Try not to complicate anyone. What we can see, that the USDJPY shot up, gave us a double top. Amazing, beautiful double top. So let me give you just a quick tip. This is what happened. USDJPY broke this trend line, I'm sure you guys can see that. So first top, right? Where's my pen? First top, second top, right? Brilliant, brilliant, brilliant. I'm sure you guys can see that. First top, second top, and the market shut down, right? Amazing. It shut down. Now it's on our support trend line. Let's see what happens here, right? So I have to go to a daily just to see the wick if it is closing below or above. Let's see now. So as you can see, guys, the trend line, the candlestick managed to close outside of the trend line. So which is pretty much good because now this corresponds very well to our double top formation, right? Boom, boom. And where are we going? All the way down. So I'm just saying all the way down because really we have the support here, the support right here. So we still don't know what the market will do when it gets to the support, right? But it will really make me happy if we see the market coming all the way down here, right there. Perfect. So let's see what the market does when it gets here. If it shoots back up, then boom, we know we're still going up. The bias is still bullish. So we are clean on that. So if the market decides to go down, we don't fight it. We flow with the flow. So that's it for USDJPY, guys. Let me move on to USD CAD. So USD CAD will require me to go on a daily. So what are we seeing on the daily? So to me, this is a range. This is a very this whole thing here. This is a range, right? Why are we doing this? Why are we doing this? Right? So regardless, we are still going to do what we have to do best, capitalize on the range. Of course, we have to capitalize on smaller time frames, but for now, we just want to see the direction of the market, how the market is moving, what the market is doing, and then on day-to-day basis, like I said, guys, 24 hours, 7 days a week, I'll be here. I'm not going anywhere now. Now I have all your time. You have me, guys. I have you. I'm not losing you guys anymore. So, what are we seeing? Double top. Boom. Double top. Where is the market going? For those who don't know where the market is going, the market is doing what it does best. Shut down. I like to believe there's a correction as a continuation all the way to the downside. But then at the same time, this formation right here is a reversal formation. Ask me why on the comment section down below. Ask me why, and I'll show you something real quick. I know this formation. I know this reversal formation. I know this reversal formation. I know it very well. To me, it would have been a perfect continuation correction, but I know this formation, right? This correction is not as simple and clean as this one. Look at this. Look at this. Higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs. But now this one, lower low, higher high, higher low, equal high, higher low, equal high. So to me, this is a reversal. This is a reversal. So, guys, if you question me, I am more than gladly and with pleasure, guys, with pleasure. I have all the time in the world to answer you now. Now I'm with you guys. So, what are we seeing here? Amazing, amazing. Same movement as on US30, but in a reversal form. Boom. Ask me what this is. I'll tell you now. Shoulder, a head, a shoulder. Boom. Just like that. Boom. Just like that. right? You see this boom all the way up, shoulder, head, shoulder, and then boom, we break, correction, and then we're looking for a continuation. As clean as it is, I like that. I love this movement. Let me move this, it will complicate us, it will complicate our job, right? So we have this correction right here. What do we want to see? We want to see the market break the correction, test the correction, candlestick confirmation, boom, all the way to the downside. And don't get me wrong, guys. The past week I got stopped out on this very same pair simply because I had the support. So I didn't want the market. So I was waiting for the market to come to this area right here. And my stop was a very tight stop, very tight. So I got stopped out by this candles, these two engulfing candles. I don't know if you can see this, but these are engulfing. This is amazing to say we are going to the downside. So we can see this is nice engulfing and then boom, followed by a strong bearish candlestick, which is amazing. So what are we looking to see here? We're looking to see the market break. Where are you? Where are you? Come here right now. See the market break, test, boom, all the way to the downside. When I say all the way to the downside, I say all the way to here, right? All the way to here, guys. All the way to here, guys. So this is it on USDCAD. But guys, I'm not the market master. I don't move the markets. I don't move. But we are flowing accordingly. We have a pattern here. We have a correction here. We are going down. I mean, even if you look at it from this perspective, it's a push, it's a correction. It's a push, it's a correction. Higher highs, higher lows, lower lows, lower lows, new lower lows, all the way down. So that's it on USD CAD. Last and final pair, my favorite. Very simple, nothing difficult, nothing complicated. US30, my brother. Like I said, US30 printed the very same format of what USDCAD showed us. So we have this format here, right? Exactly right there. So what do we have? Inverse. Inverse, where are you? Inverse, a shoulder, a head, I mean, and then a shoulder, and then a push correction break, boom, all the way to the upside. And then what we're seeing here, guys, same similar pattern, and this will make me go to a lower time frame, which I don't feel like going to, but for now, I just want to focus on the weekly movement. I just want us to focus on the weekly movement. And then tomorrow, guys, I'll give you what I think is going to happen. So we have this trend line, not confusing anyone here. We have this trend line, right? Let's look at this from this perspective. I don't let's not complicate ourselves, guys. We have this trend line. The market broke this trend line. As we can see, very bearish, strong movement from here. The market broke this trend line. As foolish as I was thinking, okay, the market might have broke this trend line, but it will come back close above because we're going up. But no, the market is moving to the way it wants to move. So what are we seeing here? Boom, we have this right here. Just on that week, we have this area right here. So what are we seeing? The market closed above this area. For the week, it closed above this area. What am I looking to see? The market can still go up. But at the same time, if you look at it, the market is testing this the support trend line to actually continue going down. But I don't want to see that. I want to see the market. That's my perspective after all. So this is my movement on US30. But guys, let's look at tomorrow's movement and I'll update you. Other than that, it's him, Mr. Gentleman T himself. And like I said, I'm back at it. Let's crash the market. Let's make this money.